My goodness, guys, this keeps on getting crazier. Palantir stock is up another 3.5% today on this beautiful Friday, by the way. Somehow here in New Jersey, it's like 75 degrees, guys, in almost the middle of November. What the heck's going on? But yeah, Palantir is up 3.5%, and we almost hit $60 per share earlier today. So guys, we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. Am I selling, buying more? Am I holding on? But before we do that, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, use the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. The clock's ticking. Get on it. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, yeah, PLTR, guys, Palantir almost hit $60 per share today, which is like insane. Like I said earlier this month, I mean last month as well, I would be shocked if Palantir, not shocked I guess, but $50 this year would be quite the accomplishment, right? That'd be pretty amazing. $50 a share. But now we almost hit 60. It's like, oh my God, what is going on? When is this thing going to cool off? And this morning, guys, it's not like we opened up at $58, right? We opened up at $55, and we broke out for the first almost 2 hours. Actually, yeah, exactly 2 hours of trading. We broke out. You know, we opened up at 55.50, and then by around 11:30 a.m. East Coast time, we were at 58.30. We were up over 5%, and kind of since that point, we've been consolidating a little bit. Nothing crazy. Actually, it looks like we have a wedge here, maybe getting ready for another move. But man, it is just insane how this stock has gone up and away. You guys actually see the wedge right there on the intraday chart. So this stock, along with Tesla, both have gone up massively this week since, well, I guess Palantir, a lot of it had to do with earnings, but since the presidency, we got the election, you know, these have just kept on going up since that point, like a lot of other stocks have as well. And I do think PLTR will do well under a Trump presidency. Tesla will as well. I'll actually make a video maybe at some point during the weekend going over my 5 favorite stocks under a Trump presidency. These are definitely in there. We'll talk more about that, I guess, in that video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, stay tuned for that. But for now, man, this thing is erupting. We're taking out the highs from yesterday, and now since Monday, we're up from $40 to now $57, $58. We're up 40% this week alone, which is like, it's like, are we in an alternative reality right now? It's not like I think Palantir doesn't deserve this. It's a great company, but man, was I expecting this? 40% this week? No, I was not expecting this. And here we are, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, now it's essentially looking like a moonshot. That's what the chart looks like. A blow-off top rally, a moonshot, a freaking rocket ship going up. That's what it looks like pretty much. And, it's due for a pullback. Like I've been saying, guys, it is due for a pullback. But, I don't know when it's going to happen. It seems like each day I'm thinking we're due for a pullback. It just keeps going up. So it's like, I don't know anymore. At this point, I'm holding on. I'm not selling out, obviously. I'm not buying more either. I think the market cap now is like 130 billion. I don't even know where it's at anymore, but it's gone up a lot this week. So I'm not necessarily buying more. I'm not selling. I'm just holding on, and I'm kind of just being patient, waiting for the next move here, which I think, sure, we could go to 60. All right, we might go to 60. That'd be insane. But I think after that, man, we are due for a pullback. I was saying we're due for a pullback in the low mid 50s, and here we are pushing 60. So that goes to show that you got to be careful in terms of trying to time the top. We can't always time the top. And if you're trying to, sell out and buy back in at a lower price, we talked about that in a previous video. That could be a massive mistake. Stocks like Palantir, it's one of those stocks that I compare to NVIDIA in a way where, you remember when NVIDIA kept going up about 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, and everybody was like, oh, it's time to sell and buy back in. And it never pulled down. That's kind of the way I'm looking at PLTR right now, guys. I don't know. For me, it's like, yeah, you could sell out and maybe try and buy back in, but the risk is just too high because you might not be able to get back in at a decent price. I mean, who knows if this thing will ever pull back down to the 30s, to the 20s again. I doubt it does, to be honest. But you never know. I mean, you never really know in the stock market. But here we are, $58 heading into the weekend here, which is just insane. And I think a pullback is coming, like I said. Some sideways trading for sure, followed by a pullback. I think that'd be healthy. And you could argue a pullback to $48 makes sense, $50. That put us right above the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. That's where we could potentially be going. What do you guys think? I'm actually curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, I want to know where your head's at. And if you haven't signed up to the email list yet, what are you waiting for? It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below. And again, it's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday. No spam, no BS, none of that, just straight up value. So check out that link down below, guys. And yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on PLTR. And this is in the midst of a nice green day. All of the indexes across the board are in the green. We have the Russell up over 0.5%. Triple Q, the NASDAQ 100, is up almost 0.25%. And this hit an all-time high in the pre-market. And it looks like about 20 minutes ago, we hit another all-time high. So that's good for Triple Q here. SPY is moving as well, all-time high. 599, and the S&P index is now at 6,006 points, guys. So the 6,000 milestone has been hit on the S&P 500, as the Dow Jones is up almost 1%, also hitting a big milestone, over 44,000 points, and yet again, another all-time high for the Dow Jones. And we have stocks like DJT moving, Tesla's breaking out, GameStop is moving, Coinbase is continuing to build on the gains, guys. A lot of green across the board today, and that's been the case this entire week. We just experienced a historic week for the stock market, and man, I'm excited. I'm excited to be a part of it, and honestly, to be making content about it. It's actually been a blast making videos, over the last couple of months and over the last couple of years, guys. It's been awesome, and things are looking great heading into 2025. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Listen, guys, once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that makes this deal a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or simply go to stasurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.